Mayowa Owolabi is Africa's most sought-after financial market coach, serial entrepreneur, and an alumnus of the prestigious Lagos Business School on digital strategy. As a veteran trader and coach with over 10 years of experience playing in the financial markets, Mayowa is recognized by many as the authority on system trading and supply-demand zone trading. In April 2017, Mayowa was honored as the Best Independent Business Partner by Forex, a Silicon Valley forex broker. In the same year, he also received the Award of Excellence by Profits Arcade Batch 34 class in recognition of his contribution to the growth and development of the organization. He was recently named the best forex coach in Nigeria by the foremost N4 market during one of his trade and chill events in Lagos, Nigeria. His passion has made him one of the most successful forex trading coaches in Nigeria, touring over 25 cities within and outside the country, educating and empowering people with massive opportunities. Mayowa is currently establishing a community of passionate institutional traders called I2C, the Institutional Trading Concept, where they trade, earn, and learn together daily. Mayowa Owolabi is also a successful entrepreneur and businessman who has successfully founded several companies. He is the founder of Mayowa Owolabi Company, a consultancy company that focuses majorly on the financial markets, digital businesses, and personal development. May Concept Solutions, a digital marketing company, and WealthGate, a community of investors who are focused on building net worths. He was honored by Moran of Covenant University and was presented an award for speaking out of digital marketing and social media entrepreneurial bootcamp in 2016. In 2021, the National Association of Nigerian Students Southwest presented him a Young Entrepreneurship Leadership Award as epitome of societal development and many others.